What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. We're here on Eurusd and we've got something lining up right now, so let's get into it. Alright then, people, so what we got here is a demand zone. Alright, so we're going back to our demand zone strategy here, and basically we've got two. We've got one down here and we have one here. Now this one's quite strong, and I like this one because it does actually come underneath the 50%. Okay, the 50% of this move here, it comes underneath there. We also have a new lower low, a new higher high, and this could be the new lower low, right? So basically we've taken out everything. We've had a liquidity grab from underneath the bottom here with this candle. So I'm going to take a buy here. The stop loss just below this candle wick here. Okay. And then that's 4.1 pips. Then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go for a 1-to-1, which is our first TP, which is our usual strat. So we can get some profit out and then bring our stop loss to break even. And then we're going to let this thing run and hopefully come up, because we have a beautiful looking supply zone to the left here. Okay, so what we'll probably do is, because it's a bit later in the day, we'll target these highs right here. All right, and we're already having a bit of a push up, which is looking nice. So basically we'll just let this run and then see what we do. We've got a very short distance to our first TP because we've got a really nice tight stop. All right, so it's a 4.2 pip first TP, and then we've also got 17 pip whole take profit. So let's see how it goes, and I'll come back when we got some more info. Okay guys, jumping back in, as you can see, price has pushed up really nicely and we're just about to hit our first TP. In fact, we just hit it there, so I'm going to take that out now. Stop loss has now been moved to break even. We've taken 80% and we just put through there nicely there, and we're going to let 20% run. So super simple trade. Demand zone, big buying pressure, price came in, clearly filled everything in the zone. Any fair value gaps that were on the lower time frames got taken out. Had a liquidity grab below the bottom there, and as you can see now, volumes come in and we're pushing up quite nicely. So super simple trade. I'm going to leave this running. I'm going to go out for a bit and then I'll come back and see how this has ended up. Hopefully we can reach our full TP up there, make a new high on this new sort of upward trend here. So let's see how it goes, and I'll be back soon. Alright then guys, so it's been a couple of hours, and as you can see, this has just been a stunning trade. Hit our first TP, volume came in, and that runner has just gone. So very happy with that. It couldn't really get much better. Very simple. We've got a nice demand zone here, breaking structure to the left. Look at this beautiful move up. Loads of volume, loads of buyers in the area. Price came down, took out everything in the zone. We had a liquidity grab underneath the bottom there. We entered on a break of this candle's high, and the rest is history. That thing just flew, and it's probably going to keep flying now as we've got a nice clean traffic to the left here. But we're out the trade, as it is now currently 8 o'clock here in the UK. And if I have any trades on, I don't like to hold them for much later than this, because 10 o'clock the swaps come in, and sometimes that can cause a riot. So amazing trade, and very happy with that. Just a quick one, if you haven't already, please join our Telegram. It's free, it's down in the description below. Once we get past 100, I will be starting to put a few trades that you can take live on there with me, and then we are going to bring in our paid Telegram after that for regular everyday trades. And also when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I think we're currently at 980 or something. Once we hit 1,000, we're going to be doing a 1,000 celebration live stream. We're going to do some Q&As. We're going to find some trades, and there could be a giveaway and a few other bits and an announcement. So thank you all for the support. It's amazing. I can't believe it. Like nearly 1,000 subscribers. It's just insane, and I can't thank you guys enough. Onwards and upwards, along with the trading. And I hope you all have a good week. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.